What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Look how nice the Mustang looks in the garage. And this is one of the things I was talking about. There's a lot of stuff that I need to fix, and the garage is on the checklist. I would ideally want to throw on some epoxy, maybe getting the garage painted, adding some banners, maybe adding those hex lights on top. Somewhere down the line, I would want the car back in the garage. I just have a lot of mess. I'm gonna work on getting a shed, getting this out of here, organize it, and just having it more like a garage, a car garage should be. Today, guys, we do have straight from LMR. Took like a day to get here. The good thing about living in Texas is late model restoration, ships it out, and literally takes about a day at most two, not counting the weekends, to get it in. So we do have the rear seat delete for the Mustang. A while back, I had tried getting started. I did remove just that bottom panel. I still need to remove that top panel, and I need to, what I'm gonna do, my first step is gonna be just cleaning out the car, because it's been a complete mess in here, super neglected, but things are gonna change. Also, guys, let me know what the sound, well, brightness was a little off. Let me know what the sound on the video sounds like. I am using a mic, so it's one of these right here. Testing, check it out. Let me know what it sounds like. Hopefully the video sounds pretty good. If not, we're gonna have to remove the mic, just use a regular camera. But we're gonna go ahead and start with step one, and it's vacuuming the car, cleaning it out, that way we can have it in tip-top shape. First order of business, you need a 13mm socket right here. You have 3 bolts, one on the left side, one in the middle, and then one on the right side, holding the top seats. The rear seats, guys, there's only these little, like, I don't want to, what do you want to call them? Little levers. I don't know what you want to call them, but there's the little levers you pull, and the bottom seat just pulls straight off. No bolts holding those down. These, just loosen them up, and they should start coming off. You should just pull them off like that. And here comes one, and just like that. Again, disregard the mess that I have back there. Told you guys, just been super neglected, but we're gonna work on it. And there you have it, guys. The seats are removed. This bottom piece, like I mentioned, I had done it probably a few months back when I installed these seats. I literally left it outside. It was gone by that same night. That evening, somebody picked it up. Guess they're probably gonna sell it or something. Same thing I want to do with these guys right here. Just gonna leave on the side of the street. They'll probably be gone by tomorrow. But guys, one of the main reasons why I did this rear seat delete was because obviously you can see those are tan, the front seats are black. They look old. Plus, I don't really have anybody in the back seat, so might as well go ahead and do the rear seat delete. It already looks off anyways. And when I used to be super into cars, I used to go to car shows. One of the main comments people would judge on it was that the two-tone seats just weren't it. So yeah, after years, I finally went ahead and pulled the trigger and bought the rear seat delete. But now let's go ahead and do the unboxing for this one right here. Let me know what it sounds like, guys. I officially have the mic on me right here. Hopefully it sounds pretty good. Something new I'm trying out. You know, I'm trying to keep up with the trends. But yeah, this unboxing shouldn't be anything too special. It should just be black carpet with some plywood or something. I'm not really doing this rear seat delete for weight reduction purposes. I mean, I guess it's a plus, but mainly just doing it just because I don't want two-toned on the car anymore. Let's see what we got. Is the mic being close to the wrapper give you guys ASMR on the unwrapping, or is it just me? And there you go. The only problem now with this, oh, it's not even wood. It's like some, is it ABS plastic? Some kind of plastic. Well, I prefer this over the wood, to be honest. The only problem now, guys, is that this is dark black, and the carpet on my car is like gray. It's old. So I'm probably gonna take it to go get detailed, washed, shampooed, all that good stuff. But for right now, this is it. Like I said, nothing crazy. There's no branding. The other two pieces are right here. And let's see. Yeah, this is the piece for the bottom, that lower seat part. Looks, honestly, looks like good quality. The reason why I chose LMR over American Muscle, one was the shipping to Texas, and two, this is like $100 more expensive than the Speedform one from American Muscle, but I saw a lot of reviews. It had like 3 stars saying that the fitment wasn't too great, that it didn't look too good. So I went ahead and pulled the trigger with this one. And I think this brand is called Schrader. Yeah, Schrader Designs, right there. I wish Late Model Restoration would sponsor me. Reached out a few times since they are from Texas, but so far no luck. But all you get in the package is gonna be some bolts and more hardware to install the rear seat delete. Do I know what I'm doing? No. I thought it was gonna be a lot easier than this, but it does come with instructions, so I'll get back to you guys in a bit. Even though I didn't film this part, I went ahead and removed these guys from there just because I didn't want to install the rear seat delete, and maybe down the path I'm gonna hear some rattling. These things are gonna be shaking back and forth. So just to avoid me having to go and remove this and doing all this stuff, I just went ahead and removed them. This is gonna be off of a 15mm socket. Guys, if you guys have an impact wrench, go ahead and use it, because they're pretty tight on there, and it's a difficult spot to turn, so the impact gun would be a lot better. Now, on the agenda, on the instructions, it also recommends for us to remove these right here. So for those, you are gonna need, if I'm not mistaken, either, let me see, an 11. Oh no, I'm wrong. It's not 11. Might need a 10. So probably gonna be the 10. Remove those 2, and after that, I'm gonna go ahead and start installing the brackets. Disregard this. This was when I used to have my old system. I think they just used it for ground purposes. So the kit does include this bracket right here, which is gonna replace the factory bracket that was on here, which is this one right here. You are gonna use the same OEM bolts. So go ahead and bolt both down, and you do the same thing with that side. I was originally gonna skip this step. Oh man, this crust is bad. I was gonna leave the seat belt installed, but for this kit, I guess you're required to remove it. I was just gonna leave it there. Wouldn't have really been a problem, but I guess I already went ahead and removed the Torx that's right there. And you're gonna go ahead and install the smaller C bracket on this hole right there, and then you do have the bigger brackets, which are this one, these, and they go right there. And same thing, repeat on the other side. This back part was, like I mentioned, it is Velcro, so stick it back there, push that in, this part in. See, might have to just need to bolt those down, but for the most part it's looking pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and bolt the Torx bolts down on both sides. That way the brackets are installed properly, and I can install and insert those little, I think it's like the Christmas trees inside that hole, match them up. Should be good to go. And we are done. Check it out, guys. How does that look? That looks freaking nice, guys. Can't believe I waited so many years to do this. We are completely finished. I am drenched in sweat. Even though I'm in the garage, it's like a sauna in here. But super excited, guys, and super happy on how this turned out. It really did clean up the way the car looks. One thing, quality-wise, guys, I give it a 10 out of 10. Totally recommend. Now, I haven't tried the other brands like from American Muscle, but just judging from the reviews, seeing that it's like made out of plywood or something like that, this one totally better. Super lightweight. Now this one, I believe has a little bit more steps compared to the other ones that I've seen, just because I had tried already, you know, like trying to see differences in different rear seat deletes, and this one has a few more brackets, a few more bolts and stuff like that. The other one is more just like remove the seats and place one on top of the other and you're good to go. Now, these extra few steps, I think it really does make up for the quality of the product. And two, guys, do not get this rear seat delete and try to sit somebody back here. Like, it's super flimsy. Like, I mean, it's plastic. I don't think it'll break, but you might warp it a little bit. So do not sit anybody back there. It's pretty much just for weight reduction and for visual looks. But yeah, totally excited how this turned out. Yeah, so we officially started the restoration on the Mustang, guys. Little by little, there's a lot of things that need to get taken care of. One of the things that bugs me the most is this rear bumper. It is disgusting with a deck lid. Nah, we're gonna change this out soon. We're gonna change it out. If you haven't subscribed yet, guys, if you're interested, go ahead and follow the journey, guys. Drop a like, subscribe, drop a comment. I'll catch you guys in the next one. God bless.